Hey everybody, welcome to my first vlog. My name's Peter and I'm a car enthusiast and I also love this kind of stuff. Motorcycles. That's my Beamer over there from the first short clip that you've seen. So, I got a call last night for offer on a motorcycle that I couldn't miss. The price was just great. And this is it. It's a 2004 Honda Cb600f, or how they call it in Europe, it's a Hornet. So it starts, drives good, shifts smooth, the clutch is good, brakes were done, they're relatively new. It's got Pirelli tires in really good condition. They have been replaced at some point. Yeah, it needs a really good cleaned up to actually see what else is wrong with it, other than like all the cosmetic issues that you can see here. So the main thing that's wrong with it, it's when you start it, it's leaking a lot of gasoline from the bottom of the carburetor. So like someone, the guy that it bought it from, he said that at some point he rebuilt the carburetors, but I don't think he did a good job, because obviously this is missing a gasket there and leaks like crazy. So I ordered a full rebuild kit for the carburetor. It wasn't expensive. It was like less than $100 for it. Yeah, and she starts, runs good. I ordered oil, coolant, and all filters. Just normal maintenance when you buy a used motorcycle. It's gonna need a really good cleanup to see what actually is wrong. Like you can see these plastics that are supposed to be here are gone. Also on the other side, the same thing. It's ugly to see the battery here and it's all broken. So yeah, the main thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix the carburetors first, so we get it to run properly and not leak everywhere. Yeah, and then I'm starting to fix the stuff that's wrong with it. I mean, cosmetic stuff. Okay, so start with this one. It's clearly in bad shape. You can see it's completely broken here, because here the whole thing is moving. Yep, that's coming off. I'm just thinking if I should just buy another tail or just repair this one and just repaint it. That'll be an idea also too. Same thing with the gas tank. Not too bad, but there's a dent here. Not very deep one. I can fix that and just repaint the whole thing again. Fresh new paint, looking good. That'll be a great one. It came with the aftermarket Leo Vince Superbike exhaust. Looks very good. Sounds very good. It's a cool 600cc bike for me. I always kind of like the shape of the Hornets and naked bikes in general. So I couldn't miss a deal. There you go. 600cc bike. It's got a lot of cosmetic things. Look at this, like everything's working, so this is just broken. Obviously this is a cheap and easy fix. It's got vortex handlebars. I actually prefer this better than the stock ones. It's missing a couple things, you know. I ordered new grips. I'm not a huge fan of this one, and the other one's missing, obviously. I ordered new clutch lever and brake lever. This one's gonna need a clean up. I know who put those weird numbers. Like what the fuck is this? You know, who the hell does it? I'm thinking if I should like redo the leather on the seat, or just find another one in better condition. And yeah, I'm gonna just clean up everything. It's not too bad. It has been sitting for a year now. It needs a lot of detail and attention. Clean up. I'm replacing the hose. They don't look too bad, but I just like replacing all that kind of stuff. Easy and cheap, you know. This one's moving. Not too bad. I like this kind of style mirrors, but this is an only one. So like if I cannot find another one like this, I'm just gonna buy similar style a pair for it. But yeah, overall not too bad. It came also with this. It's an old style Yoshimura exhaust, R&D of America or whatever. It came with this one and also headers for it. I really do not know if I'm gonna put these on or just put them on eBay and resell them. The guy that I bought it from also gave me camshafts from a F4i Honda CBR. They're kind of a bit more aggressive, and if I want to put them on, it's gonna need a little bit work. But if I decide to not do that, I'm just gonna resell them on eBay and get some money back. You know, that's pretty much it. It's gonna be a winter project. I hope to ride it a little bit in spring, summertime, and resell it. Yeah, hopefully everything goes well. Stay tuned.